There are lots of different types of Hydrangea Paniculata which come from sort of East Asia, Himalayas area. And this one's called Limelight, and it was bred in the 1980s in the Netherlands. Usually the heads are a bit bigger. It's probably because it's a bit of a dry year this year, but they still look very amazing. Very dramatic plant. Gets about 8 feet tall, and this one's been pruned back. So it responds quite well to pruning after flowering. This whole head is like made up of sterile flowers. If I can dig around in here, there are some little actual flowers. There's tiny little things there. That's the actual flowers. And like with other hydrangeas, you've got these big sterile flowers which attract in the pollinating insects. And that's quite a big one there. But these are quite easy to grow, sun or semi-shade. They do quite well on the edge of trees and shrub borders. Quite big, dramatic plants, covered in flowers. Really, really big heads, which are usually even bigger than this. And there are so many hydrangeas to choose from. Usually garden centres just have the ordinary ones. If you just look around, there are just so many different ones. I mean, just look how many kind of stems of these flowers make up each head. They're very, very dramatic, and like other hydrangeas, they do go on for a long time because they kind of hold their flowers when they finished flowering, and they just don't kind of drop off for ages. So they look really impressive for a very long time, and just like a whole forest of them up here. Really, really nice. Bit of height, bit of subtle colour, which really does look very interesting and unusual in any garden.